Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will learn constraints and their types. What is constraints? Constraints are rules that we define for our SQL tables to ensure the integrity and consistency of the data within them. We use constraints to enforce business rules, prevent errors and inconsistencies, and improve data quality. There are several types of constraints in SQL, but we're going to focus on the most common ones. Not null. This constraint ensures that a column cannot have a null value. This means that when we insert a new row, we must provide a value for this column. Unique. This constraint ensures that the values in a column are unique. We can have multiple unique constraints in a table, and each one can cover multiple columns. Primary key. This constraint ensures that a column or a combination of columns is unique and not null. It's often used to identify a unique record in a table. Foreign key. This constraint ensures that the values in a column or a combination of columns match the values in another table's primary key. This is how we establish relationships between tables. Check. This constraint ensures that the values in a column meet a specific condition. We can define any Boolean expression for this condition. Default. This constraint ensures that the default value for a column if no value is specified. That's it for our video on constraints. In our next video we will understand each in depth. We hope this has helped you understand these concepts better. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.